How to practice English speaking alone. Do you want to speak English better? You don't have a friend to practice with? Don't worry. You can practice English alone. Yes, it is possible. In this lesson, you will learn how to speak English alone. Let's start. 1. Talk to yourself. You can talk to yourself in English. This is a simple and easy way to practice speaking. You don't need a teacher or a friend. Just speak. Example. Good morning. Today is Monday. I want to eat breakfast. I like eggs and bread. I will go to work. I will take the bus. You can say what you are doing now. This is called self-talk. Example. I am brushing my teeth. I am putting on my shoes. I am opening the door. Speak slowly and clearly. You don't need to be perfect. Just try. 2. Use a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at your face. Talk to yourself in the mirror. This helps your confidence. It feels like you are talking to a person. Try this. Say, hello. Ask, how are you? Answer, I'm fine, thank you. Practice short conversations. Smile and speak. 3. Use English every day. Make English a part of your life. Use it every day. You can speak about the weather, your day, your family, your plans, what you see. Example. It is sunny today. I am cooking lunch. I will watch a movie tonight. Every small sentence helps. Don't stop. 4. Read and repeat. Take an English book. Choose a short story or a reading text. Read it aloud. Then, repeat it again. Steps. 1. Read the text. 2. Listen to yourself. 3. Repeat the same sentence. 4. Try to say it better. Reading aloud helps your mouth and brain work together. 5. Use English videos. Watch easy English videos. Listen carefully. Then, pause the video and repeat the sentence. Example. You hear, this is my bedroom. You say, this is my bedroom. Say it 2 to 3 times. This is great for learning pronunciation and rhythm. 6. Record your voice. Use your phone or computer. Record yourself speaking in English. Then, listen to the recording. Ask yourself, is my voice clear? Did I say it correctly? Can I improve it? Try again. Say it better. This is great practice. 7. Shadowing practice. Shadowing means, listen and speak at the same time. Choose a video with subtitles. Play the video. Repeat after the speaker. Try to copy their voice. Tip, start with slow English videos. Don't worry if you can't follow everything. 8. Learn sentences, not just words. Don't only learn words. Learn sentences. Sentences help you speak better. Example. Word, hungry. Sentence, I am hungry. I want to eat something. More examples. I like coffee in the morning. My favorite color is blue. I don't understand. Can you help me? Say these sentences many times. Say them loudly. Use them in your self-talk. 9. Practice daily routines. Talk about your daily life in English. Morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Afternoon. I work on my computer. I take a short break. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Evening. I watch TV. I talk to my family. I go to bed at 10:30. Use these sentences every day. Add new ones when you can. 10. Use flashcards. Write short sentences on flashcards. Read them aloud. Example flashcard. Front, I have a cat. Back, picture of a cat. Make your own cards. Use topics like food, home, work, school, etc. 11. Ask and answer. Practice asking and answering questions. Example. What is your name? My name is Ali. Where do you live? I live in Ankara. Do you like music? Yes, I do. Say both the question and the answer. Play both roles. 12. Practice with apps. There are many English speaking apps. You can talk to a bot or do speaking exercises. Some popular apps. Duolingo. Elsa Speak. BBC Learning English. Cake. Use these apps every day for 10 to 15 minutes. 13. Describe pictures. Look at a photo or picture. Describe it in English. Example. A photo of a beach. The sun is shining. There are many people. Some people are swimming. Use simple words. Talk about colors, people, things, actions. 14. Sing English songs. Choose slow and easy songs. Listen and sing. This is fun and helpful. Example songs. Hello by Adele, slow. Let It Be by the Beatles. Happy by Pharrell Williams. Sing with the lyrics. Repeat many times. 15. Set a speaking goal. Make a goal for your speaking. Example goals. I will speak English for 5 minutes every day. I will learn 3 new sentences today. I will record my voice 2 times a week. Write your goal. Put it on your wall or desk. 16. Be confident. Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. It is normal. Just keep trying. Say this to yourself. I can speak English. I am learning. I am getting better every day. Final words. Speaking English alone is possible. You don't need a class. You don't need a partner. You can do it by yourself. Talk to yourself. Use a mirror. Watch videos and repeat. Read aloud. Record your voice. Use apps. Make a goal. Practice every day. Little by little, your English will improve. Be patient. Be strong. You can do it.